Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. Today we're going to be looking at how you can easily duplicate round an object in Affinity Design. You can also do that in other softwares like Adobe Illustrator and CorelDRAW. Understand? It is just the normal way of duplicating round a circle. So without much further ado, let's get started. Now, if you get to understand properly, some persons when they want to duplicate round a circle, you get to understand maybe they make a shape, give it a color, then they will start duplicating it manually like this. So they will start duplicating manually from 1 to like that, and this won't give you an accurate result. Most of the times when you're concentrated and you do it, it looks perfectly okay, but it takes much of your time and it doesn't give you an accurate result. So today I'm going to show you the right, simple and perfect way to do it that will give you an accurate result. Then you delete these ones away. Let's delete these ones away. Good. We have deleted them away now. So the perfect way for you to duplicate round an object, a spherical shape that is a circle, is 360. It's 360 degrees. So the first thing you should always have in mind when duplicating around a circle or in a circular form is that just get to understand that you will have to divide the number of objects or shapes that you want to duplicate. You have to divide it by 360 so as it will rhyme perfectly on the circle. If it doesn't rhyme well, you have to reduce it again so as it will rhyme well. So let's try it. Now you will make a circle, make a perfect circle. Then now we'll have to duplicate this circle proportional to this circle in this other circle. Sorry for that. So the first thing you have to do is to click on this icon, which is also known as Enable Transformation Origin. I'm sorry, I don't know its short name. I don't know how to explain about that tool vividly for you, but maybe as time goes on and in our next video I will explain more and you understand better. So make sure you click on that tool and you will get to notice that there is something that is now in this circle that I showed, but when it's deactivated you will see it again. So when it's activated you will see it. You understand? Now you have to pick this and bring it in the center of this circle, reason being that we are duplicating this around that particular circle. So that sign have to be in the circle. The sign is the one directing the movement of that circle, showing that whenever it's moving, it has to understand that it's moving around where this particular thing is here. So the second thing you're going to do is to duplicate this circle by hitting or combining Ctrl J on your keyboard. Now we will have to duplicate that circle around this other circle. So you come over here on the transformation tool, you get to understand there's a section here for rotation. So let's guess we'll duplicate 18 circles around this main circle. So just click here and say 360 divide by 18 as I said earlier, and you say okay. Now it has given it a command that when it's rotating, we are going to rotate. When it's rotating, we are going to duplicate 18 around this very shape, and it has given us a perfect space in between the two circles, as you can see. So the next thing to do is to hit or combine Ctrl J on your keyboard to simultaneously duplicate. Perfect. It has given you an accurate result. You can go ahead and try on your own and see if you have also gotten the same result with mine, and maybe should in case anything goes wrong or you don't understand, you can come back and ask questions in the comment section below, and I'm always here for you guys to attend to every question in the comment section. Please, if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share, for I will be bringing you tutorials and tips to guide you on how you can become a perfect graphic designer. Please, I will be also dropping new videos in CorelDRAW, so most of you guys that are interested in learning CorelDRAW or being used to Corel, I will start dropping videos again in Corel, and as well Illustrator, Photoshop, Affinity Designer and the rest. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon so as you can get notified anytime we drop a video. Thank you for watching. Peace.